Good afternoon, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. This channel is specifically for BSc Agriculture Honors student and courses related to agriculture extension education and communication. So today we are going to discuss topic that is a personality. In that we are going to discuss about the meaning, definition, types of personality and traits of personality. Under the course number extension 111, credit 2 plus 0, course title Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology. So let's start our today's class related to personality. So what is this personality actually? So different kind of the people's having a different kind of the behavior. Okay, so things are affect to that particular individual person to behave like that. Okay, some are talkative, some are not hesitate persons are there, some are conservative type of the persons are there. Okay, so that is your personality. So some means different kind of the personality having with the different people, they are wearing the mask on their face. Okay, so let's discuss about the meaning of personality first. So what is the meaning of personality? So this personality word come from the Latin root. Which root? Latin root persona. Okay, which means the mask worn by players in the theater. As you go in any theater or any particular circus, so there they wearing some mask. Joker is there. Okay, so the Joker is actually, he is a different person, but he wearing the mask of Joker. And we know Joker, what is the work of Joker? To create the jokes, to create the entertainment. Okay, so to give the entertainment to the people, to get the people laugh. Okay, so that is that role of that particular Joker. So the Joker is not actually person, they just wear that mask. In behind that mask another person is there. Okay, so like that is the meaning of this personality. It is comes from Latin root persona, which means the mask worn by the player in a theater. So that is your meaning. Then what is the definition? So definition of this personality according to Woodworth. Okay, this is the one of the scientist Woodworth. Personality is the quality of an individual total behavior. Okay, so what type of the quality they have, that is a personality. So total behavior, in the total behavior one of the quality is personality. Then the intelligence level is there. Okay, then thinking level is there. So different kind of things are there. Your personality is not wearing the clothes. Okay, वर्तणूक वागणूक आपण म्हणतो, पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट इज म्हणतो. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट पर्टिक्युलर व्यक्तिमत्व. Okay, so when particular personality is developed, when just not wearing the good clothes, he having the good thinking, he having the good intelligence level, he having the good behavior with the other people in the society, when they communicate with other peoples. So all this is your total behavior. So it is nothing but it is the quality of an individual's total behavior. Okay, so all the all the factors are comes in this personality. So this is about your definition according to the Woodworth. Then we move toward the next slide. There is a types of personalities are there. There is a 3 types of personality. First one is a introvert, second one is a extrovert, third is a ambivert. So introvert is what? अंतर्मुखी म्हणतो आपण त्याला. So some people are having, they are quiet, they are shy. Okay, they are hesitate to talk with the other persons. Okay, they are not that much social. That is introvert type of the personality is there. Okay, extrovert, the people who are, they have the confidence on them, they are more talkative, they are mixed with the other people. That is your extrovert. It is a bahirmukh, means their personality shown by their gesture, by their activities. Okay, so that is extrovert. Ambivert, it is a balance between the introvert and extrovert. So these are the three types of personalities are there: introvert, extrovert, ambivert. Okay, so we are going to discuss one by one and their characteristics. Okay, so you should go in details, and you should keep it, you should listen carefully. So here, introvert personality, a quite shy person who prefers to be alone than with being other people. This type of the personality people are, they are quiet, they are shy type of the persons, and they are living alone. They did not want to being with other people, or they did not want to mix with other people. That is your introvert. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्या स्वतःमध्येच राहणं त्यांना आवडतं. ओके, दे वॉन्ट टू लिव्ह अलोन, नॉट विथ अदर people, and they are quiet and shy. Okay, so that is about your introvert person. Then what are the characteristics of this introvert person? They are very conservative and suspicious. They are very conservative, means narrow minded persons are there. They just thinking, only their limitations are there for their thinking. And they suspicious means they are always taking doubts on the other people or any other things. So they are Sanshay, we call it as. Okay, so they are conservative and suspicious. They are shy. They are not social, means they are not mixed with the other people. Avoid public speaking. They don't want to speak in a public. Absent minded means they are having in thinking with themselves only. Okay, absent minded. Okay, easily embarrassed means ashamed. Then very reserved, self centered, Atmakendrit, they are only the self-centered. They are only thinking about themselves only. Do not express his emotion. They did not express their emotions. Always daydreaming. Okay. दिवसा स्वप्न पाहणारे. They are generally slow and hesitant to take initiative. They are very slow in their activities. They did not take initiative. They just follow their leaders. Okay, if their group activities is there. So here examples are philosopher and scientist. Okay, so are you study about the different kind of the philosopher or scientist? They are living within them only. Okay, so scientists, they are just doing their innovative experiment at their laboratory only. Okay, so they did not think about the environment or what is going on in surroundings. Okay, so develop the any particular research. So these are the characteristics of introvert type of the personality. Okay, then the next is your extrovert personality. So a person who is confident and who prefer being with other people, being with the other peoples, means they are having the confidence on themselves and they are being with the other people, is called as your extrovert personality. It gives some characteristics. They are alert to his environment, means they are not having absent mind. They are alert whatever going on in their environment. They like to make friends. Okay, they are making the friends. Ups and down in mood. Okay, so mood changing behavior is there, ups and down in moods. Then not easily embarrassed like action and change. So whatever they did, they are not embarrassed about their actions and whatever the changes are there. Generally talkative. They are talkative, ज़्यादा बोलने वाले. Okay. Then they are social. They are participating whatever the social activities are going on. They are having the conversation with the other peoples, having the interaction with the other people, exchanging their ideas, feelings with the other peoples. Okay, has a keen sense of observation. And their one characteristics or quality is that they have the observation of other peoples. Okay, observation quality is having with this type of the personality. Likely to adopt readily, take things lightly. They did not take things very seriously. They are taking lightly. The social workers. So social worker and reformers are the example of this kind of the personality. Social workers. So they are very they are alert whatever happening in the environment. If any issues are there, if any problems are there, they are taking the initiative. Okay, taking to make some things to solve that particular problem. Okay, they are social, automatically social worker if is there, so they are social. So these are some characteristics of the extrovert personality. Then we are talking about the ambivert personality. So ambivert personality is what? They are partly introvert and partly extrovert. Okay, so they are having the balance of introvert and extrovert. They have a liking for people as well as thought. Some of the characteristics are given here. They are listener and talker, means they are good listener and also talker. Good sense of trust is there. Then need social and alone times, ability to regulate behavior, able to provide balance, means they having the balance in their personality, not a totally ambivert person, not totally introvert person. Okay, so they have the balance in their personality. Balance is there. Okay, so that is about your ambivert personality. Then next is your what? Some of these factors are there which is influencing the personality. Okay, so we already learned about intelligence also. These are having some 7 factor, here having some 4 factor which is a shaping influence the personality. So which are that we are going to discuss. So first is a heredity, second is a physical and geographical environment, third is a culture, and fourth is a unique experience. Okay, so heredity, how it is affect or shaping or influence the personality. So heredity influence upon the personality in the both the direction, that is a direct and indirect way, in the both way. How? Direct and indirect way. So indirect influence are those exerted through the group evaluation of genetic traits, and direct influence comes from degree and emotional drive and mental alertness. Okay, so that is a direct and indirect influence which is affect the personality of the person. So the we having this nervous system. Okay, so ductless glands are there, or drives are there, emotions are there, capacity, some mental type of the behavior are there which lead to the differences in the personality. So heredity, I already told you, it is influence on the personality. Indirect way, how? Through the group evaluation of the genetic traits, means through the genetic traits, whatever we traits comes from our parents. Okay, that is a heredity type. And direct influence from our environment. So what kind of the degree and emotional drive or mental alertness we have. So this is about our heredity. Then the physical and geographical environment, how it is influence the personality. So there is a food and climate is the most significant aspect of this physical environment. Okay, so as they influence biological development as such as personality. So food, habit, climate, so that also affect to the personality. Okay, so this is one of the factor. Then the next is the culture. An individual gets the aspects like clothes, tools, skills, speech, occupation from his culture. So we are getting all these things from our culture. So culture has impact on our shaping, attitude, habits. So what kind of our folkways are there, what kind of our customs are there, ideas, behavior, all these things are there. So all these things come from our parents to us. Okay, that is our culture. So it is from one generation to another generation. So it imitate their parents and it affect the personality of the individuals. Okay, so unique experience, it is the last factor of this personality. The individual personality center around the concept of identity formulation. So I already told you, not similar personality having with the two individual. So individual to individual personality is a change. So ideas, habits, values, motives are the internal or integral part of to the personality, are acquired through the process of interpersonal interaction. Interpersonal, not intra. Hence in the process in the personality development, the early year up to the age of 7 years. So whatever the personality is there, it is a development of the our early age, that is up to the age of 7 years. It is very important in laying down the basic personality pattern. So whatever the personality means, where our ideas is there, habits, values, motives, okay, all these are the integral part of a particular personality. Okay, and whatever it is acquired through the interpersonal interaction, not interpersonal interaction is there. Hence it is a personality developed in the early year more. Okay. Okay, that is up to the age of 7 years. So that is about fourth factor of the personality, which is shaping or which is influence the personality. So these are the 4 factors. Then next and last part of this particular topic, that is personality traits. So there is a different kind of the traits are there. We are going to discuss one by one. So what are the personality traits are there? Dimensions of personality can be divided into 2 traits: physical traits and behavior traits. So which are the personality traits are there? Physical traits and behavior traits. Physical traits and behavior, physical and behavior. Under the physical traits, drive is there, temperament is there, capacity is there. So these are the 3 under this physical traits. And under behavior, ideas, habits, attitude and wishes. Okay, so these are the some traits are there. So we are going to discuss one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss about the physical traits. Okay, so what are the physical traits is there? Physical traits. So in that, first of all is the drive. So what is the drive? It is compelled to do something, means it is having some force to do something. Okay, that is a drive. So a form of motivation in which the organism is impelled by a factor behind its control. This consists of inner energies, okay, whatever the tendencies are there, whatever the urges are there, that affect the particular person, okay, to do something. Okay, it is from outside force is there. Motivation is outside force. It is one of the drive is there. Okay, so whatever the pattern of responses is there is a result of interaction. So that is about drive, to compel to do something. Okay, so we did not go through the details in about, just clear the concept. What is a drive? It is a compel to do something. It is one of the outside force to that particular person to do the particular thing. Then the temperament. What is the temperament? This is the characteristics mood of individual. Okay, sometimes our mood is good, our mood is not good. That is a depression is there, confidence is there. Sometimes we are depressed, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are confidence. Okay, so that is your temperament. Okay, so that is another physical trait. Then the capacities, a sort of inherent potentiality which enable the organism to acquire a certain ability. Okay, that is our capacity. It is one of the what? It is the one of the certain ability to do certain task. That is your capacity. So different kind of the people having the different kind of the capability. Ability and capability is a different. Ability is one of the skill is there. Capability is a shamata. Okay, so it is a depend on the physical traits, how physically you are strong. According to that, your capability is decided to do a particular thing. Okay, so that is capacity. Then behavior traits. So in that, ideas is there. So ideas is different from different people. So it include the all mental pictures. Concept is there, impressions are there, motions. Okay, knowledge is there. So all these things are comes under your ideas. What are that? Pictures is there. Again, concept is there. Okay, again what? Different kind of the knowledge is there. So it comes under your idea. Habits. So different people having the different kind of the habits are there. So all acquired way of feeling and doing which tend to the repeat themselves. Okay, so we are eating food daily. So eating habits are different. Some people are eating by using their fingers, some by using the knife or the spoon, okay, or fork. So all these things are there. Different kind of the habits are there, whatever we are did in a daily routine. Then attitude. So an acquired or learned established tendency to the react towards the particular or something or somebody, okay, or particular thing or particular person. That is your attitude. So all attitude and habits, but not all habits are attitude. So keep in mind, all attitudes are habit, but not all habits are attitude. So that is your about attitude. So how we think to towards particular individual or something. Okay, that is your attitude. It is one of the behavior trait. Then the wishes. So a wish is one or set of the attitude focus on a goal. Okay, there is no action without a wish, without action. Wish helps to explain human behavior. So we think I wish I will become a engineer. Okay, so if your wish is not there, you did not work towards your particular goal. So wish is one of the behavior traits. So different people having a different kind of the wish. Okay, and they are, according to their wish, they move towards, or they are going to be achieve the particular goal. So these are the some personality traits are there. Okay, and these are some important questions. Define personality, discuss various types of personality, state the meaning of personality, discuss introvert and extrovert type of personality, define the term personality, and explain factors influencing personality. So you should go through the detail. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Thank you.